Okay, here we are, role models. And the essential question is, how can models be used to differentiate between elements, compounds, and mixtures? These are three big vocabulary words, and you need to be able to tell the difference between the three on the test. So if you have a highlighter, or you might want to star these words as you're going along in our lesson so far. So question number 18 asks you to analyze. What information shown in models 1 and 3 is absent in model 2? And so give it a think, answer the question, and then come back to the video when you're ready. Hopefully you took a minute to look at the three models. All three are representatives of the water molecule. Water has one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen. Oxygen has more protons than the hydrogen. Hydrogen only has one. And so you notice that red represents the oxygen. And so hopefully you gave that a good think. Next, you have a classify, visualize it. And this is an important concept for you to look at and understand. And so they want you to look at the pictures and decide, is it going to be an element, a compound, or a mixture? And so go back to, is it one thing by itself? Is it two things that are together? Or is it more than one thing mixed together? So go through those and figure those out. Just a blown up page. And then number 20 gives you a scenario. And it wants you to sketch the combination that it has up there for you. And the next question wants you to evaluate how using nuts, bolts, and washers helps you represent atoms, mixtures, and compounds. And then you come to the visual summary. A lot of you don't put enough information when you get to the visual summary down at the bottom. You can see that gives you all that space. It's really for you to think about the concept and be reflective about how to answer that question.